What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and we're heading into Anchorage, Alaska today to go check out a pretty awesome band. Let's go. We just left Girdwood and we're on our way to Anchorage to the Williwa, which is right in downtown Anchorage, probably I'd say the biggest bar downtown. They're throwing a huge outdoor concert today, and Young the Giant is going to be headlining, which they're pretty solid, as you'll see. And Alaska band Medium Build is going to be opening up for them, as well as one of my friends, Saucy Yoda. She's going to be doing a little inside show right before the band, so can't wait. It's going to be fun. Let's get there. Once the show's over, we're probably going to be doing some urban truck camping, I have a feeling. And they got the streets closed down. I don't know how many people are going to be here. It might get a little crazy though. Get the whole part of this town blocked off. It's pretty crazy. See, I don't come into Anchorage for shows very much anymore, but seemed like a decent one to catch. That worked. I'd do something else. Just so you can agree. Yeah, that's okay. Fair enough. Yeah, thanks. Came back to the camper really quick to grab another battery for this camera so it doesn't run out while I'm filming all the different bands. Those guys totally did an awesome job setting everything up. Looks like a ton of work went into it, but I'm gonna go get some food and hit one of those food trucks and start the night. So first band you're gonna see is Medium Build, and then we're gonna go catch Saucy Yoda, and then Young the Giant follows, headline everything. Alright y'all, we're back in the camper. That was a pretty epic show. It's cool to see all those different bands and see some friends over that way. And the battery is about to die on this camera, so I gotta let you go. But anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button down there and subscribe to the channel. And keep your eyes out in Anchorage. Next time you're in Anchorage, come out to a show at the Williwa or down at Van's Dive Bar. There's a lot of great bars in town that have live music, so check them out. And we'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.